Hello, everyone. Happy National Ceiling Fan Day. If you don't know what National Ceiling Fan Day is, it's a special day that we honor our fans and many others around, and for the ones who sadly didn't make it, passed away. So, we're here to honor our fans. What we see here today is a 52-inch Harbor Bruce Springfield 1. Alright, let's move on to the next fan. In this room, we have a 52-inch Fanimation airdrop. In here, we have a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Arrow. And last but not least, we have a 60-inch Hampton Bay Walston. And that is it. I hope you guys have a fantastic National Ceiling Fan Day. And thanks for watching.